In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Facebook ads template in Canva. If you're looking to build eye-catching ads quickly and at the right size, this simple workflow will save you time and keep your designs looking professional. Start by opening Canva and making sure you're on the main dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see your recent designs and the big navigation bar on the left. From here, look to the top left corner and click the Create button. Depending on your interface, it may say Create a Design, but it appears in the same area and does the same thing. Clicking it opens a panel that helps you start with the correct format, so you don't have to worry about manual dimensions. Next, use the search bar. Type in Facebook and keep an eye out for the option labeled Facebook Ad or Facebook Ads Template. That option is important because it's pre-sized specifically for Facebook ad placements. Choosing it ensures your canvas is set to the right dimensions from the start, which means your text, images, and layout will fit comfortably without getting cut off or distorted when your ad runs. Go ahead and select the Facebook Ads Template option. As soon as you click it, Canva will open a new design tab with a blank, correctly sized canvas. That's all you need to create a clean foundation for your ad. Starting this way keeps your workflow simple and prevents the common mistakes that happen when people try to design in the wrong format and then resize later. Now that you've got the empty template in the correct size, you're ready to customize it. This is where you can bring in your brand colors, logos, and imagery, knowing everything will fit within Facebook's recommended layout. Keep your main message short and bold, make your focal point unmistakable, and use contrast so your key text is readable at a glance. Allow some breathing room around the edges so nothing important sits too close to the borders. If you're planning multiple ad variations, having this base template helps you stay consistent while swapping headlines or visuals. And that's the entire setup. You went to the main dashboard, clicked the Create button, searched for Facebook, selected the Facebook Ads template, and landed on a ready-to-edit canvas that's the perfect size for your campaign. With that foundation in place, you can confidently build out your ad creative without worrying about dimensions or formatting.